Now we'll see delete operation in an AVL tree. While constructing an AVL tree, at some particular point of time, a node can act as a critical node. So we can call that tree as an imbalanced AVL tree. Then we need to make a balanced tree by applying proper kind of rotations. Okay. Suppose for example there is an AVL tree. Now if I am going to make delete operation on an AVL tree, then the tree may become imbalanced. At that particular time, you need to make some kind of operations, rotations. So now we'll see all this. Okay, let us take the first one, having 6, 4, 7, or let us take 10 and 9. 10 and 9. Okay, fine. Now, if I am calculating the balance factor, 0 plus 1, 0 minus 1. The tree is balanced. For example, I have deleted this node. If I deleted this node, my tree will look like this. 6, 10, 9. 0 plus 1 minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1. Okay. See here, sorry, not minus 1, it is minus 2. This critical node minus 2, this critical node minus 2 is occurred because of deleting its left child. Because of deleting its left side, so I will call it as L. I will call it as L, and its right child balance factor is plus 1. Its right child balance factor is plus 1. Then this kind of situation we call it as L plus 1 notation. We call it as L plus 1 notation. Okay, so when you occur L plus 1 notation, what we need to do? We need to apply RL notation. Why we need to apply RL notation? Just think about here. If my tree structure will look like this, my tree structure will look like this. My final resultant tree should be like compulsory 9, 6, 10. Then only it is correct. And all the remaining possibilities are not possible. So, if I want to get my tree like this, I need to make a rotation. What kind of rotation I need to apply? I need to apply clockwise then anti-clockwise. Clockwise and then anti-clockwise will be performed in what kind of rotation? RL rotation that we have seen. RL, just check like this. I mean, when we are deleting, we may get one kind of notation, that is L plus 1 notation. At that time, we need to make RL notation. RL notation means first we need to perform clockwise, then we need to perform anti-clockwise. Then the second condition is 6, 4, 10, 9, 11. Let us take 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. The tree is not balanced. But because of this deletion, my tree becomes imbalanced. Just see here, 6, 10, 9, 11. 0, 0, 0. Here I got minus 2. When I got minus 2, I can say it is a critical node. This critical node is occurred because of deleting to its left child. Because of deleting to its left child. So I call it as L, and whose right children is 0. So right children is 0. Then I call this as L0 notation. L0 notation. When I got L0 notation, I need to apply RR notation. What is RR notation? I need to make clockwise direction. So that is what I have written. When occurred L0, we need to apply RR. RR means we need to make clockwise rotation. So from this process you know already. Because of this critical node, I need to apply here RR notation. RR means the clockwise rotation. Next I am taking the third one. 6, 4, 10, 11. 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1. Yes, tree is obviously correct. But because of this deletion, my tree becomes unbalanced. 6, 10, 11. 10, 11. So here balance factor is 0, minus 1, minus 2. So here this critical node is occurred because of deleting an element from the left side L, and whose right children is minus 1. So we can call this notation as L minus 1 notation. When you got L minus 1 notation, how can you balance this one? RR notation, right? Simply RR notation. So when you got L minus 1, we are going to make it as RR, that is clockwise direction. For example, take out this case like 10, 6, 9, 11. Is it valid? 0, minus 1, 0, plus 1. Yes, it is valid. But because of this deletion, my tree becomes invalid. 10, 6, 9, 0, minus 1, plus 2. 0, minus 1, plus 2. Then this critical node is occurred because of deleting an element to the right side R, and whose left children is critical node is balance factor is minus 1. So we can call this as R minus 1 notation. When we got R minus 1 notation, we need to apply LR technique because its structure looks like this. Okay. So when we got R minus 1, we need to apply LR notation. You know LR means first you need to apply anti-clockwise, then you need to apply clockwise direction. Okay, fine. Let's take out the case. 10, 6, 9, 5. I am taking here 11. Okay. The balance factors for this one is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 2 minus 1, plus 1. Okay, up to here it is fine. But because of deleting this node, that my tree becomes unbalanced. That is 10, 6, 5, 9, 0, 0, 0, plus 2. This critical node is occurred because of deleting the node from the right side, and whose children is balance factor is 0. So I will apply R0 notation. R0 notation means I need to apply LL. LL means just make a rotation of clockwise direction. Next, take out the next case. 10, 6, 11, 5, 0, 0, 0, sorry, it is plus 1, right? 2 minus 1, plus 1, okay, fine. It is valid. If I am going to delete this 11, my tree becomes invalid. 10, 6, 5, 0, plus 1, this is plus 2. Because of deleting this node, this becomes a critical node. This is because of deleting a node towards the right side. So I am calling it as R side, and whose children is plus 1. Here also R side 0. So when R plus 1, what we need to do? We need to apply LL condition. That is what I am writing. When R plus 1, we need to apply LL, that is clockwise rotation. Okay. These are the 6 possible operations you need to apply while deleting an element in an array element. If you take any possible case, among these 6 only will occur. That's it. Okay. Now we will see an example. Just note down. let's take an example. They are asking for to delete 10, 30, 15 and 18 from this node. So first we'll check whether this is an AVL tree or not. First balance factor of this is 0, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So balance factor of all leaf nodes is always 0, right? 0. This is 0, this is minus 1, 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 2 minus 1 is plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so 0. So they have given an AVL tree and they are asking for to delete these elements. Okay, so first we will take deletion of 10. Deletion of 10. If I delete this 10, my tree will look like this. Just see 14, 9, 3, 2, 4, 20, 15, 28, 18, 26 and 30. See, because of this deletion, this left subtree only modified. So 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. So check here. Balance factor for this one is 0, 0, 0. This balance factor is plus 2. This balance is plus 2. Okay. So because of so this critical node is occurred because of deleting a node to its right child, and whose children balance factor is 0. So I need to apply what kind of notation? I need to apply R0 notation because of deleting a node towards right child and whose one more child balance factor is 0. So I need to apply R0 notation. When I apply R0 notation, I need to use LL. LL means clockwise rotation. When I make clockwise rotation, you will get the resultant tree will look like this. So right side as it is there 14, 20, 15, 28, 26 and 30. Right side 18. 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. If you make rotation, so you know already on which node you need to rotate clockwise. I need to L means clockwise. If I make clockwise, I will get my 3 here, 2 will comes to here, and 9 will comes to here. 9 left side is 4. Balance factor is 0, 0, plus 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, balance factor is 0. So now the tree is an AVL tree, meaning that after deleting, meaning that here deletion of 10 makes my tree like this, and because of this tree is invalid. So to make it as valid, I have applied R0 notation. Now they are asking for delete 30. If I delete 30, is there any problem? If I delete 30, there is no problem because the root node balance factor is 0. As I already said, if we take a tree, the left subtree and right subtree balance factor is difference is maximum of 1. The balance factor is 0, meaning that it won't affect even though if you have deleted one node. So just write. I will write. After deleting this one, I will make just update. Otherwise, I will write here. 14, 3, 2, 9, 4, 20, 15, 18, 28 and 26. Calculate balance factors. 0, all leaf nodes 0, 0, 0, minus 1, plus 1, 0, plus 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0. There is no problem. So I have deleted 30, 10 and 30. Next I delete 15. If I delete 15, I am going to delete 15. Just see here. If I am going to delete 15, as I am going to delete here the leaf node, you can, when it comes to here, I have deleted leaf node, there is no problem with children. If I am going to delete this node with the children one, either left subtree or right subtree, you need to make this 18 as append to the parent node. Already see given a number of examples in the Binds tree. So after deleting this, I need to make append to this one. Append to this one. If I append, what will happen? 14, 20, 28, 26. I will get 3 like this. 3, then 3, 9, 4, and now calculate balance 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 0. Now also tree is an ideal tree. Meaning that after deletion of this is after deletion of 30. This is after deletion of 50. After deletion of 50. Deletion of 50. Now they are asking for to delete 80. Asking for to delete 80, right? If I am going to delete this 18, what will happen? This subtree will make imbalance. Just look. Okay, look. 14, 3, 9, 4, 2, 20, 28 and 26. 26. Now calculate 0 plus 1 minus 2. This is minus 1. I mean left subtree won't affect anything. So because of, see here, this critical node is occurred. This critical node is occurred because of deleting a node in the left child and another child balance factor is plus 1. So I will apply what kind of notation? I will apply L plus 1 notation. Left side deletion and whose child is L plus 1. What is L plus 1? RL notation. So I need to make RL notation over this one. If I make RL notation over this, I will get tree structure like this. Like I am just writing aside. If I make RL notation, first we are going to make clockwise. If I make clockwise 20, 26, then 28. Clockwise. First I did clockwise. Then I am going to perform once again anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means 26, 20 and 28. So that I am going to substitute here. 14, 3, 2, 9, 4. Let's substitute that. 26, 20 and 28. Now check the balance factor. 0, leaf node 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, plus 1. Okay, all deletions are completed. Now, in this tree, balance factor of every node is either 0, plus 1 or minus 1. So I can call it as an AVL tree. So, in this one, I have applied, here I have deleted 18, right? Delete 18. Because of this delete 18 only, I got my tree like this. Okay, so in this, I have applied some 2 or 3 notations. One is, I have applied RG notation. While deletion of 30, there is no problem. While deletion of 15 also, there is no problem. But while deletion of 18, you got a problem. So for that, we have used 2 kind of notations here. One is R0, another one is L plus 1 notation. Make a note. Let's take one more example. Let's check whether it is an AVL tree or not. Balance factor of all leaf nodes is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 2 minus 1, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 0. So it is an aerial tree. They have already given an aerial tree. Now they are asking for to delete the node 8. To delete the node 8. They are asking for to delete the node 8. My resultant tree will look like this, right? 20, 10, 15, 11, 0 plus 1, 46, 32, 50, 48, 60, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Okay, see here I got balance factor as minus 2. This balance factor minus 2, meaning that this critical node occurred because of deleting a node towards the left side, and whose right children is plus 1. So I need to apply what kind of notation? I need to apply L plus 1 notation. So this is for deletion of 8. What is L plus 1 notation? L plus 1 notation is RL. RL means you need to make first clockwise, then anti-clockwise. So for this subpart, I'm writing. If I make RL notation, my subpart will look like 11, 10, and 15. So I'm writing directly 20, 11, 10, 15, 46, 32, 50, 48, 60. 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, minus 1. So the tree is an balanced tree. That means an ideal tree. Now they are asking for to delete 46. Delete 46. If I am going to delete this 46, the deleted node having two children. When the deleted node having two children, you have to remember the concept of bias deletion. In the third case, I have defined when you are going to delete a node having two children, you need to replace that deleted node with either in-order predecessor or in-order successor. So, with respect to this case, in-order predecessor is this one, and in-order successor is this one. Okay. So what I am going to do is here I will take two cases, but in the exam you can take any case, either in-order predecessor or in-order successor. So first, for our simplicity, I am simply taking in-order successor. Once I will try in-order successor, I am taking in-order successor. If I am taking in-order successor, I will get 20, 11, 10, 15, 48, 32, 50, you will get 60. 60, right? Now balance factor is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here is 1 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 2, 3, minus 1. Okay. So because of taking in-order successor, my tree becomes an aerial tree. Let's take the case of in-order predecessor. If I am taking the in-order predecessor, just take a look. 20, 11, 10, 15. Here I will get 32. Then next 50, next 48, next 60. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. But here you will get minus 2. This critical node is occurred because of taking in order predecessor. In order predecessor. So this critical node is occurred because of deleting a node to the left side of it. To the left side of that. That is only right. I have copied and because of deleted node to the left side of it. So I need to apply what kind of notation? I need to apply compulsory L. And I need to take the right child, right? Right child balance factor is 0. So I need to apply L0 notation here. I need to apply L0. If I make apply L0 notation, my resultant tree. So L0 means RR, right? RR means clockwise. RR means when the tree will look like this, right? When RR, it should be anti-clockwise, not clockwise. I didn't make mistakes. Anti-clockwise. Okay, I need to make anti-clockwise. When I make anti-clockwise on the adjacent element of the critical node, my tree structure will look like 20, 11, 10, 15, 50, 32, 48, and then 60. And then 60. So balance factors of this is 0, 0, all external nodes. 0, minus 1, 2 minus 1 is plus 1, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, so minus 1. So it is also an ideal tree. So after deletion of the node 46, just see here. If you take, luckily if you take in order successor, we need to perform notations. It's of course any problem. There is no problem. You can take any one. Okay. So this is after deletion of 46. Then from the resultant tree, I need to make delete. 50. I need to make delete 50. If I make delete 15, my resultant tree will look like this: 20, 11, 10, 50, 60, 32, and 48. 0, minus 1, 0, plus 1, 0, plus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, you will get minus 1. So deletion of 15 doesn't yield the tree becomes imbalanced. It is a balanced tree. Okay, no problem. Then I am going to delete 60. Because of this deleting 60, my tree may become imbalanced. Just check. 20, 11, 10, 50, 32, 48. 48. Just note down the balance factors: 0, plus 1. Here I got plus 2. We got plus 2, right? 0 plus 1. This critical node is occurred because of deleting a node right side of it and whose left children balance factor is plus 1. So I need to apply what kind of thing? R minus 1 notation. R minus 1 means I need to apply LR notation. If I apply LR notation, this subtree will yield like 32, 48, 32, and 15. So just substitute there. 20, 11, 10, substitute. 48, 32, and 50. Now calculate balance factors: 0, 0, 0, 0, plus 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 0. Okay. So my deletion is completed. Now if you take this tree, at this point of time, all balance factors of every node is either 0 or +1 or maybe -1 also. So this tree I will call it as a AVL tree. So this is the way you are going to perform deletion operation over an AVL tree. Okay. So whenever you are performing delete operation, you need to apply this kind of operation. One is L+1, L0, L-1, R-1, R0, R+1. But don't by heart any kind of notation. Just make your common sense and apply the rule there itself. That's it.